All right. Well, hopefully that was helpful.
I don't know what you want me to say.
Yeah, no, you're good. No, I was going to say the outro now. I was switching. That was good intro. Good intro. Now we got to tell them.
I don't know if I like this for the intro and outro.
Why?
It's weird. It's not going to keep them tuned in. I just...
All right.
I don't...
Scrap it. Look at this. Whoa, she's getting all set up again, folks. You know that's why he clicked on the video. She getting set up, bud? What are we about to do tonight? What are we gonna see here?
I don't even know.
Look like Princess Leia from Star Wars.
My hair's dirty. So it just got put up in buns.
Hey, that works. We love it. Love the pearls, too. You don't ever rock pearls.
I don't like pearls. I don't know why I'm feeling them tonight.
Something different, probably. Something different. What's the theme here?
I don't really know. I ain't got a clue.
Just gonna roll with it.
Just gonna go. See what happens.
Sweet. We gotta send Mama off so we can get in the tub.
Where's your oges? Let me see your oges. He liked them because they had oges.
Orange.
That's how he says orange.
I love it. Give Mama a hug. Wish her luck. I can't wait to see what she comes up with. We're gonna have to catch her afterwards here. And
those of you that have kids, you know. You know.
You know why we don't get anything done around here. We're gonna have to check in with you after. Good luck.
Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what's up, guys? I'm back in the lab here. Well, actually, I'm on Tori's side here. I'm over here. There I am, editing the video from last night, from the live. I just want to give you guys a forewarning. It did get late on us. I did capture our reactions in real time to the live. But if I do sound a little bit unexcited, it's not because I didn't care, but it's just because it got late. I had fallen asleep on the couch, and I was trying to stay up to film the reaction afterwards like I always do. But just wanted to show you guys that it's real, authentic, it's not scripted, anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and play this next clip. I won't even cut it up. I'll play the whole thing for you guys. This stuff does wear on you. It is taxing, but we always keep grinding for you guys, so enjoy.
I didn't end up putting lashes on because the live just went way too long.
How long did it go?
I don't even know.
4 hours?
No. Maybe 2. No.
2. Jeez.
No, I don't know.
Turned out great though. Look at that.
I didn't put my lashes on. I'm really wishing I would have, but I didn't have
You
time.
don't need them.
Yes, I do. You always need lashes.
Mama does.
But I did an instant giveaway of a Zen mascara, and I drew the winner live. So
Sweet.
that was fun.
Good deal.
Yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. Now I just get to wash this off and go to bed.
Woo, I'm already in bed.
Joe's wanting to go to sleep. It's that time.
Good night, guys.
Bye. Hit that subscribe button.